Miss Psynos, what go on?
I'm wavy. Oh!
She's wavy.
Alright, what's up guys? It's Miss Psynos back again. I know I never did want to see me, but I'm me today. I'm me today. So taking over Psynos.
That now go happen.
Psynos' vlog. So today I'll be doing a story time. I ask him permission to do it and he want me to do it. So no don't bash me.
No.
Ça son ti kaka bouilli la. Fem pa kon ki moun ki pral manje bay, sa me bay la pa bel non.
It was when I was young and was a yamid.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
When me did feel like somebody did in love. Me just now know what love is. Me did feel bad. Alright. There once was a guy.
Look at this dude.
Who named the guy. And the guy was a soldier. Yeah, he was part of JDF. Jamaican Defense Force. And I'm going to tell you how we meet first. I think I was in college, yeah. And I was walking to school. All of a sudden, I just want, I want to ask you. I just see you stop in front of me. So I stop too. Because I see a car stop me. I don't know how I jump out there to take me away, you know. So I stop too. When I stop now, I see them come out, like the guy and his friend come out of the car. When them come out of the car, them come towards me and ask me if I want to ride go to school. Because them know I'm school there or whatever. So I say, no, I'm fine. I'm walking. School just there right up there, so I say, I'm fine. I say, no, I'm good. Then my boss says, oh, you want so pretty, whatever. At first, I feel like say, I did pervert, whatever. So my boss always say, if me sure. So I see look like say, alright, them are gonna leave. Because them not really do me nothing. Well, you never let your guard down still. But. So, I see him go back in the car. I think I left, but I go for him phone. And him come back and say if him can't get my number, if check palm, if he see if me reach a school. So because me want them left, I just give it to him. I say see it they go on. 2 days after that him really call. I say if me reach a school, I say yeah, me there at school, fine, alright then cool, bye. Whatever. Me decide so when him text me on WhatsApp now, I go block him. It never end up that way there still. So text me on WhatsApp now. I never talk to him until like after a month. Cause he text me. I not answer. I be a scene. And I think about alright, I meet him in July and we start talking in August. So August now. One day we say alright, I don't want my board and I go through a heap of stress. So I say alright then I not have a friend for go out with and I call him and him and him friend them come for me at my house and we go to a beach. We go to a beach and everybody enjoy themselves, whatever, we go buy food, everything. And I not tell no lie. The first date, the beach date, it happened.
What do you mean by that?
But the same day, I'm disappointed in myself, but it's been a while since we did have a boyfriend. So it did happen. It happened. And then after that, no, I kind of catch feelings. You know when you're, alright, you know when you're, for the woman them, you know when a man kiss you know, and you start feel sitting a bubble up you know. And I love that, my friend. And I love. I turn carnal.
Bruh.
Wow.
So, whatever happened, man, the feelings start develop. I'm gonna say, yo, you know, so that boy are really nice, and him call me and so on. But in 3 weeks after that, no, all of that change.
Bitch, what?
Boy start go online and I look for car, for buy a car, because I didn't make the money, so I want a car. But the car I want, he just want to go bashy. I be a Beamer and Benz and this and that. I never did that too, say nothing, because if I want something, I feel money, I'm working money, buy what I want, but I don't trouble him still. And him claim to say he might go take a loan. So me there home one day, and no, I think before all of that, in the night time them now we used to call each other, because at daytime I couldn't call him because I was up on the road at work. You know, soldier off up on the road. And in the night time them now I call him. Sometimes I can't get him. So I have to call him like about 3 or 4 times before him answer. I'm call him now, I'm finally get him. Him find be excuse. I say about say I forgot work 10 o'clock in the night or whatever. But I say that's not what you say. You always say you work at daytime or sometime night, and he would tell me when I work at night, but no, that all of that stop. And I call him when he finally answer now, he claim to say about say I go talk to loan officer in 8 o'clock at night, no. 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night. Oh! He might talk to loan officer. Which loan officer or which bank I go talk to client in a night when I them personal time?
Batty boy!
A most surgical loan officer. Loan officer, people. Loan officer. A loan officer indeed. Every night I call him, I want to talk to him. I be a loan officer this, loan officer that, loan officer this, loan officer. So you know I stop call. So him start call. Me stop push out every effort, man. Him start call. When him call, I say I'm tired. I go sleep. I'm tired. Whatever. Never know loan officer people. One day now I call him, I confront him. I say, what really happened? What really happened between we? What happened? What I go wrong? What I do? Him claim to say nothing. Alright, then his birthday come up. Birthday time come now. I say I want hoodie. If I buy him a hoodie. So I got Joseph, one well-known store in Ochi, for reasonable. I got Joseph and I see one hoodie, nice hoodie for $800. I come back home. I say I go save up for buy. I come back home now. I call him and him say if I see the hoodie or whatever. So I say, yeah, I see one nice one for $800. The boy get mad on the phone and I say I want a cheap sweater. I want a sweater for $8,000. And him think me did I say $8,000, not 8 bills. Him think me did I say $8,000, not $800. I say, okay. For me, guys, listen, I don't come from a rich background. I try my best. In a relationship, I try my best. And if a man can't see that, well, he's not a man, a boy. At the thought that counts, right, babe? Yeah. So after that, now, I start confronting him. I say, what am I go wrong? You know? I think no. Let me tell you. Second time now, I ask him again. Because I'm a drift. And I keep on a call him and I said they on next call. Me all try find app for download to see who I talk to. And it's like I call him one day and I say, you have next woman? And he must say, he meet somebody else. So I say, well, you just never be frank with me and tell me all of that. He must say he meet her. Remember the time, the first time he meet me? When we did a walk, I go to college or whatever, he say meet the girl the next week after that. She must say there. as in the town or whatever, and she a walk too, and him stop. And I drive by. My mama.
Drive and pick up and stop.
He stop. He say him stop in the town and I talk to her and she did just look nice. So I say, oh, me didn't look nice. So every girl that see her walk, I gotta stop. I gotta just stop. So him say something will hurt me that day there. Him say, yeah, I find her and she at work. Them time them I go college, you know. Me and the girl are same age, but she at work. So him said to me about, oh, say, yeah, I find a nice girl and she at work and she have money. She work at insurance place. She have money and she go buy me one nice Timberland for much money, this and that, whatever. So I say, oh, you are run down money, not love. You are run down money, not love. So I say, alright, then I know I just go on your ways. I'm any right there so. But it never really end. Cause me I did. You know when you attach?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Me never done it. Me never done it. And it's like, as him call me, me just get giddy. Me head get giddy. Me just say, yeah, me a come. Me not tell him no. I'm say, you know, say after a while, it just stop.
What did happen make? Official, when you end up do something or you just drop it?
No, me just drop it because I just take me for idiot straight up. And me feel to realize it until me say, you know what, it's not healthy because I couldn't stop crying. And I just depressed myself and it didn't make no sense. I was just unhappy.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Wow. So that's your
Yeah.
story.
That was my story.
You have no lesson for share with any girl?
Moral of the story. As Jada said, the story and no moral. No make no man take on for idiot, ladies. No make no man take on for idiot. And just test out a man before you go deep with him. Test him out. Make sure say question him. Make sure say him have a head pan him body. Make sure say him brain up here so a work. Make sure looking at him skull. Party head and look. Make sure say it at work.
Yeah, man. Follow your intuition, as them gonna say.
Follow your intuition.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, you don't laugh after me, you know, that was then. That's the past. That's past and gone, and that's forgotten. So, yeah, that's all I have to show you guys today.
Okay, big old 35-year-old man with a man, so then in a 1-inch penis.
Oh! Batty boy!
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could do slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.